Brown skin, pretty brown eyes, slim waist, but her hips kinda wide, thick thighs. She about 5'5" or about 5'6".
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, sweetie, welcome to my fabulous family. And if you are returning here, thank you so much, sweetie, for the support. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I did this sunset type of vibes, sunset type of look. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I did it. And if you didn't see my previous video where I was doing my eyebrows, go ahead and check it out before you go on and watching this one. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I hope you enjoy. So this is the palette I'm gonna be using. I got it from Alzara Perfumes. I will link them right here on Instagram. This is how it looks. So yeah, you know what we do first. First go in with our concealer. Okay, so first we're gonna go in with our pink. We're gonna be using a flat brush, not this one, this one. We're gonna be using a flat brush like that. So we're gonna go in our corners, at the far ends of our corners.
Cookie soul,
And then we're gonna take orange. We're gonna go in just next to our yellow, not yellow, just next to our pink. do the same in our inner eyes. Okay, like that. Then we're gonna take our fluffy brush. It's like that, and we're gonna blend. And then we're gonna take a different brush and go in with yellow. Oh my gosh, do you see that? Do you see that? I mean, like, hello? Hello? Are you there, child? But I'm just gonna blend it out. Like, are you looking at what I'm looking at? Can you see what I see? Like, girl, can you see what I see? Just gonna blend it out. Just gonna blend the yellow that way and that way. Not too much, or else it's gonna be all over the place, and that is not what we want. Just to oh my gosh. Like, literally, oh my gosh. So, okay, and then now you're gonna take a smaller brush like that, and you're good. You repeat the same thing with the same colors the same way underneath your eye. So yes, we're gonna start with the pink. I'm gonna start with my pink. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this look. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my highlighter. Okay, so that is how you do it. Okay, that's how you do it. It is that simple. So go on and try it and let me know how it goes. Do not forget to like this video, comment something nice, turn on the post notification button so that you can be notified each time you go post, and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.